Hear how the pilots say the letters. We all know in English sometimes the letters can be mixed. For example, N with M or B with P. So they have to say the whole word so they don't mix the letters with other one. But pilots have different words, special words. The words are Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whisky, Xray, and Yankee, Zulu. You need to know those letters if you want to get a license for a drone. You need the license if you want to fly your drone commercially.